Montana. Where? I got what you need. Bitches, they love it. Bitches, they love it.
Why did you do that?
Everything's on the house, struggle with me. Ain't that money gone? Nigga, I'm on it. Nigga, I'm for the streets. Bitch, fuck the leaves. And nigga, I'm on it. Nigga, I'm on it. Got the prime position with no pot to piston. We the hardest out, it ain't no competition. And I beast the jungle fever, get the hard cheaper, lower than a dark Caesar. Unbeatable, unbelievable, the drug dealers love me. Told me I ain't need to blow. Here's a half a brick, nigga, you don't need a show. But I took it easy, like I don't see the toe. Jewelry 3 below, niggas get Peter roll. Tunnel vision on that money, I don't see a hoe. I'm out the chops, that shotty spot, blow up a body pop. I got what you need, bitches they love it, bitches they love it. Roll up the weed, everything's on the house, struggle with me. Ain't that money gone? Nigga, I'm on it, nigga, I'm from the streets, bitch, fuck a leave. And nigga, I'm on it, nigga, I'm on it.
First nigga to put it down, rep the city the way I do it. Got these niggas rolling they drugs, bitches with they hand out, but we don't feed them nothing but champagne and zigzag stuffers. Taking pictures with my campaign stunting. Nigga, I ain't showing off. Them niggas tuck their wings, I'm the flash in my course. High as fuck at the game, sitting courtside with my bad bitch and she roll up too. Just a couple names you should fear. Nowhere near tired, but had a good year. The bitches still choosing, niggas hating on me. If you ain't talking paper, that's another story.
I got what you need.